Welcome to my YouTube channel, Magical English. Today I'm going to share my daily routine with you. These are the simple habits that help me stay organized, productive, and positive every single day. So let's begin with the morning. In the morning, I usually wake up early and take a moment to settle myself. I stretch my arms and legs, check my phone for a minute, and slowly get out of bed. Starting my day calmly helps me feel relaxed and positive. After I wake up, I go to the washroom to brush my teeth and wash my face with cool water. It makes me feel fresh and awake right away. I also drink a glass of water to hydrate my body after the whole night. Once I am ready, I sit down to have my breakfast. I usually prefer something simple like tea and toast, fruit, or anything light and easy. A good breakfast gives me the energy I need to start my day properly. After breakfast, I plan my tasks for the day. I write down what I need to do and then begin my studies or work with full focus. I try to finish the important tasks first so that the rest of the day becomes easier. Around noon, I take a small break to rest my mind and body. I stretch a little, drink some water, and then eat my lunch peacefully. This break helps me recharge and feel active again for the second half of the day. After lunch, I continue working on my remaining tasks or assignments. I try to stay consistent so that I can complete everything on time. This part of my routine keeps me disciplined and organized. In the evening, I like to step outside for some fresh air. I usually go for a walk or spend time in a nearby park. It helps me relax my mind after a long day and gives me a refreshing change of atmosphere. Sometimes I take out a few minutes to enjoy my hobbies. I listen to music, watch something short, draw, or read a little. Doing something I enjoy helps me feel happy and balanced. At night, I spend some time with my family, talk about my day, and enjoy my dinner. Afterwards, I get my things ready for the next day so I don't feel rushed in the morning. Before sleeping, I relax for a few minutes and calm my mind. Sometimes I read a few pages or listen to something soothing. Finally, I go to bed early so that I can wake up fresh the next morning. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Magical English. And let me know in the comments, which routine should I make a video on next?